Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Education Seeker, and this is problem number 4 of concept booster series. So let's see the problem. The major product in the following hydroboration oxidation reaction is, so basically we have a bicyclic compound and this portion is representing an alkene and the reaction corresponds to simple hydroboration oxidation. So in that sense the problem is not that complicated. 4 options are given. In option C and option D, hydroxyl group is attached below. In option A and option B, hydroxyl group is attached above. So BH3 can attack from the top face of the double bond and the bottom face of the double bond. But in this molecule, is there any preferential attack for BH3? Let's see. Let's suppose we have propene molecule and this is the molecular plane. And if we consider hydroboration reaction, then the approach of BH3 from the top face and the bottom face are equally favorable because the steric demand of the top face and the steric demand of the bottom face are basically same. But if this methyl group is made chiral, then the steric demand of the top face and the steric demand of bottom face will not be same. So then there will be preferential attack. And apart from this, if we have a molecule and the molecule is oriented in space in such a way that the double bond is not equally accessible from the top face and the bottom face, then also there will be preferential attack. And let us consider for this molecule, and this molecule is oriented in space like this, and this phase is called convex phase and this phase is called concave phase. And convex phase more open to BH3 attack, that is convex phase is more accessible to BH3, but concave phase is not that accessible to BH3. So approach of BH3 is hindered, so we will eliminate this pathway and only consider this attack. Now one thing is clear that BH3 will approach to the convex phase, but when it comes to regioselectivity, it can be only explained in terms of electronic factor. And before going into that, let me give you a short description of the mechanism. So what happens? 2 electrons from the filled pi HOMO of the double bond are getting transferred to the vacant p orbital of boron atom, and by this process an electronic deficiency is created into the alkene moiety, and in order to meet up that electronic deficiency, 2 electrons from the sigma HOMO of BH bond are transferred back to the vacant pi star LUMO of double bond, and both these processes are occurring in a simultaneous fashion, so the reaction goes through a cyclic transition state. And this kind of addition is also known as stereospecific Syn addition. So there are 2 possible regioisomeric transition states. This is transition state 1, this is transition state 2. And normally in transition state, the positive charge develops on that particular carbon atom that can be stabilized by the substituent group. Now in transition state 2, there is one oxygen atom quite close to the carbon which has positive charge, right? So oxygen having its minus I effect will intensify positive charge on this carbon. So as a result of this, the transition state will be destabilized. But in case of transition state 1, there is no such destabilization because this oxygen center is far apart from this carbon. So the energy of transition state 1 is relatively lower than the transition state 2, right? So the activation energy, that is EA1, is less than EA2. So this is major and this is minor. Now in each case there are 2 more BH bonds and they will similarly add to the alkenes and form the trialkyl boron. So now this trialkyl boron, which is formed as major, will undergo oxidation in presence of hydrogen peroxide and NaOH to form this major regioisomer, and this trialkyl boron, which is formed as minor, will undergo oxidation in presence of hydrogen peroxide and NaOH to form this minor regioisomer. So as this is measured, so the correct answer is option A. So thank you very much for watching, and if you find something interesting, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any single video, right? Thank you.